Hi guys, welcome back to Misha Stuff. Today I am going to show you my creativity and unboxing it. I hope you like it and let's get started. Okay, so this one is I made and let's do it inside. Okay, so open it. It's inside. Let's move. My board can't fit it. Now let's get opening to it. Oh, okay. So I made this book. It's cute one, and there's some things inside. Let's see what. I hope you know. If ooh, there's some cute stars. Okay, so we got a sticker. Oh. And there's one part 2 sticker also. I'm going to show you in my next video. And we have the stars. Ooh. There's some red powder which I made. Ooh, there's another one. Oh. Okay, we have 2 more. So I told you, just like just now, there's the next one in part 2. And now we have this fidget toy. And next you're gonna opening this. Ooh. Okay, we have a note that says, this one is like last month ago. I wanted to show you all guys. Michelle Star. What's my channel name? Okay, I don't really remember all of it. So, ooh, there's some crystals. Wow. Look at this, guys. This looks like a crystal. It's actually some of the balls like that. Oh my god, it's sticking to my hand. Wait. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Let me get one out. Okay. Okay, it looks like this. If you can't see, well, I'll put it like, I hope you can see now. Cute. If it's cute, tell me in the comments below. And let's see what else is in there. Ooh, there's a chart. Oh my god, that's cute decoration which I made last time. It's so cute. So I'm gonna show you what it has. It has like purple thing for like jail and all, but actually it's not. Okay, and we have some black polka dots, and the next one is like scribbly lines. Here's wavy line like the ocean, and next is like some wavy lines, some straight lines, and yep, they're all wavy lines. And this one has like pencil wavy lines and blue wavy lines. That looks like an ocean. Let's see what's happening. Okay. They're quite cool, right? Close it back and open it back. Okay. You can see. So it says subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, comment, share and like, and we will see you in the next video. Bye. Peace.